Hi everybody, welcome back. Miss Abate here. Okay, today's lesson we're going to be focused on a grammar skill. Okay, so this grammar skill, you guys are in luck, is one you have already done. Okay, so we're going to be working on prefixes today. Okay, so I know it's been a little bit since we've worked on prefixes or I've done a video about it. So let's go ahead and review. Okay, so prefix, if you remember, is a letter or a group of letters at the where, beginning, or end of a word. Beginning of a word, okay, and it changes its meaning. So it's added to the beginning of a root word or a base word, right? A root word or a base word is a word that stands alone, okay? That means you can't take any other letters off of it to make it a word. It's a word all on its own, okay? So the prefixes that we're going to be focused on today, remember they come at the beginning of a root word, okay, are re, un, dis. Okay, those three prefixes. Again, we've already done these, okay? So we are going to relearn these words, okay? So the prefix re means again, okay? You do that action again. Un means not or the opposite of. And dis is the same thing. It means not or the opposite of. Okay. So for example, we could have the word, we're going to have the word relearn. Okay. So we just said that the word re means again. So if we're going to relearn these prefixes, that means we're going to learn these prefixes again. The base word is learn. Okay. Maybe another word is dislike. Okay. Maybe you dislike learning about prefixes. So the root word, the base word is like. And dis is that prefix. What does it mean? It means not or the opposite of. So it's something that you don't like, right? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and let's begin. So I want you to keep those re, un, and dis and what those mean, okay? You're lucky that two of them mean the same thing, okay? Un and dis mean basically the same thing, okay? It's just a matter of if it makes sense or not saying that word with un or dis, okay? And unfortunately, that's just something, unfortunately, not fortunate. That's just something you guys are going to have to remember. And it's just something you're just going to have just a basic understanding of. There's no real trick or rule to get you to understand which one to use when. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's get something to write with or something to write on. Okay. If you need to pause the video to go ahead and do that, please do that now. If you are ready, we're going to go ahead and start. So the directions in this say, read each sentence. Highlight the word with the prefix. So here we have a sentence, okay? Now, you guys don't have these tools, okay? So I'm going to tell you guys what you're going to do. So we're going to read the sentence and we're first going to find the prefix. So you guys obviously aren't going to highlight the prefix. You guys are going to write the prefix down on your paper when you find it in that sentence, okay? Then it says use the tool, or excuse me, use the saw tool to divide the prefix from its root word. So like we've done in the past, if you remember, you guys are just going to draw a line in between the prefix and the root word. Okay. All right. So here we go. I'll go ahead and do this first one for you. So read each sentence. Okay. That's the first direction. I have to remake my bed. Highlight the word with the prefix. Word highlight. Make is the word with the prefix. Use the saw tool to divide the prefix from the root word. So here you can see that it highlights over where I draw that line. So I know that re is the prefix. So I'm going to separate re from make. So what does remake mean? It means to make again. So you guys, what you're going to do is you're going to write the word remake down on your paper. Okay, because I highlighted it. So you're going to write the word remake down on your paper. And then you are going to draw a line in between re and make to show that you separated the root word from the base word. All right, let's do the next one together. So let's read the sentence. The ribbon on the gift was uncut. Which word is the root word? Oh, excuse me, which word has the prefix? Yes, uncut. So let's write uncut down on our paper. Okay, so what is the root word and what is the prefix? Yes, the prefix is un and the root word is cut. So we're going to draw a line in between un and cut. Perfect. Let's keep going, boys and girls. Next sentence. I dislike big dogs. Ooh, okay. So what is the prefix? What's the word with the prefix? Dislike. Let's write dislike down. Okay. What is the prefix and what's the root word? Yes, like is the root word and dis is our prefix. So what does dislike mean? Not like. I don't like big dogs. All right, next sentence. The plum we picked was unripe. Okay, so the plum we picked was unripe. Which word is the prefix word? Unripe. Very good. Let's write unripe down. Now, what is the root word and what is the prefix? Yes, we know that un is the prefix. So we're going to separate un from ripe by putting a line in between it. So we know that un means not, ripe. So ripe means it's good to eat. Okay. So the plum we picked was not ripe. Very good, boys and girls.
Good job.
All right, let's do another group of this together. Ready? Okay. Tom will unlock the box. What is the prefix word? Unlock. Very good. What is the root word? Excuse me, the root word versus the prefix in unlock? Yes, un is the prefix, so we're going to separate it. Now, here is where un means the opposite of. Okay, so Tom will, it doesn't mean not lock, it means he's going to undo. So he's going to do the opposite of that, okay, by undoing the lock, okay, the opposite of locking. Right? Okay, perfect. Next sentence. I can help him unsnap his buttons. What is the word with the prefix? Unsnap. Very good. Let's write unsnap down. What is the prefix and what is the root word? Prefix is un, snap is the root word. And again, unsnap, just like unlock, it's the opposite of it. He's going to undo the snap, okay? It doesn't mean he's not going to snap. It means he's going to undo the snap. He's going to remove the snap, okay? Next one. I have to resend the note with a stamp this time. What's the word with the prefix? Resend. Very good. And the root word versus the prefix? Re is the prefix and send is the root word. So what does resend mean, boys and girls? It means to send again. Okay, next one. It is unsafe to jump from that rock. What's the word with the prefix? Of course, unsafe. And what is the prefix and which one is the root word? Un is the prefix and safe is the root word. So what does unsafe mean? Yes, it means it is not safe. Perfect.
Great job.
All right, you guys are going to do this last page on your own. There's only 3 of them for you to do, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read the sentences for you. And you are going to find, just like we've done in the last 2 pages, you guys are going to find the word with the prefix and break the prefix up into the prefix and its root word, okay? Here we go. There was a problem and I had to redo it. Write down the prefix and then draw a line, or excuse me, write down the word with the prefix and draw a line in between the prefix and the root word. Sentence 2. I helped Dad unpack the bags. Write the word with the prefix down. Draw a line in between the prefix and the root word. And last one. Do mice distrust cats? Write the word with the prefix down and draw a line in between the prefix and the root word. All right, boys and girls. So I hope you guys had a very, you guys, relearned a lot about prefixes today and really got those juices flowing again about what prefixes are and hopefully cleared up any misunderstanding as to prefixes from our last lesson. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I'll see you guys next time.